food, festivals, customs, rituals, and attire variation is also seen in social life. Let us see what we can do for unity and equality in our country.
Continue.
The diversity which is seen in India's is rarely seen in other countries of the world.
India's name. Indians.
Indians is rarely seen in other countries of the world. India has become a subcontinent due to these diversities. In our country, diversity is seen in the color complexion, attire, religion, language, food, etc. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes. Yes. Very good. So, beta, what it is? Okay. First of all, we will see what is meant by diversity. Yes. Uh, uh, Alina is a Firdos. Chalo, very good, Zainab. All this. Okay, chalo. First of all, we'll see what is diversity. Yes. See, our country is a country of diversity. Diversity means what? Different things. Yes. You see, it is very clear that India is what, beta? India is a land of diversity. Yes, land of different peoples living, which they follow different religion, right? They not only that, beta, they also follow different religion. They speak different languages. है ना? Yes or no? Do everyone speaks the same language in India?
No,
Huh? Yes. Do they speak the same language in the India?
no,
No. The people of India have diversity in what type of diversity they have. That we will first see. They have diversity in say religion, है ना? Religion, in language. Yes or no? You can see
yes,
my screen now. Yes, religion in diversity in religion, diversity in language. Yes, then diversity in food also. Everyone eats daily aloo sabji pata gobi, daily dosa, daily idli.
no,
No, diversity in food. Then they also have diversity in attire. Attire means the type of clothes they are wearing. Yes. Then they have diversities in living practices. Yes.
yes.
Why this is not working? Eraser is not coming. 1 meter, girls. Selection and that is not coming, no? Eraser and no problem. Chalo. Diversity in food, diversity in language, right? In attire, in living practices, customs, rituals. इतना ही नहीं festivals. Different festivals are celebrated in different religions, different parts of India. Their living habits, residences are different. Apart from this, there is diversity in belief also. Beliefs, whatever beliefs we have in our mindset, right? Right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes. Now, if we see,
right.
yes, if we see, कैसे religion wise diversity is there, right? So, beta, if you see, then the people of our country follow religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, and many, right? Etc. etc. You can see. They speak different languages also. Languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Punjabi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odai, then Konkani, etc., etc. Right? Different languages are spoken in our country. Right or wrong? Apart from this, अगर हम
Yes.
festivals देखें, yes, then festivals are also celebrated different. Like the people of our, yes, the people of our country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Holi, then Dashera, शिवरात्रि, गणेश चतुर्थी, ईद, क्रिसमस, है ना, दूज फेस्टिवल, आषाढ़ी दूज आती है, दैट फेस्टिवल वी सेलिब्रेट, मोहरम, बुद्ध जयंती, महावीर जयंती, ओणम, पतेती, बैशाखी, एक्सेट्रा, है ना. सो ऑल दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज डाइवर्सिटी, है ना. डांसेस आर आल्सो डिफरेंट बेटा, है ना. ऐसा सुना है कभी?
Yes.
Dances are also different. Like see the dances are famous of our country. For example, गुजरात का रास गरबा फेमस है. Then पंजाब का भांगड़ा फेमस है. Yes. Then उत्तर प्रदेश स्टेट है ना. उत्तर प्रदेश का कथक डांस इज फेमस. कथक कथक करते हैं ना, कथक. Then आंध्र प्रदेश का कुचिपुड़ी इज फेमस, है ना. आंध्र प्रदेश कुचिपुड़ी इज फेमस. देन केरला स्टेट है ना, इन द सदर्न पार्ट, उसका कथकली है. क्या है? कथकली इज फेमस. देन तमिलनाडु में भरतनाट्यम इज फेमस. विच इज फेमस? भरतनाट्यम इन तमिलनाडु. असम का बिहू, ओडिशा इज ओडिसी डांस. राजस्थान का घूमर डांस इज फेमस. घूमर डांस होता है ना, घूमर, राइट.
Yes.
देन महाराष्ट्र का लावनी डांस है, कैसा लावनी डांस है, दैट इज फेमस. एंड यू कैन सी एक्सेट्रा. अंडरस्टूड? Many different dances.
Yes.
Yes. So apart from this diversity, my dear students, there is what amongst us. Apart from this diversity among us, there is one important thing in us. You know what is that? The most important thing apart from this diversity, there is unity among us. What it is? Unity.
Unity
यस.
among.
चाहे
Okay.
मैं भांगड़ा करूं, चाहे मैं रास गरबा करूं, चाहे राबिया कथक करे उत्तर प्रदेश का डांस, चाहे कोई कथकली करे केरला का डांस, चाहे कोई ओडिसी करे ओडिशा का डांस, हम सब में यूनिटी है. व्हाट इट इज? What is among
Unity.
us? Unity. So, my dear students, our this lesson's name is what, my dear students? Unity in
In
diversity.
diversity.
देखो, listen, look to your hand. चलो अपना हाथ अपने मुंह के सामने रखो. Kept?
Yes.
This is not working. Okay. Can you see? Can you see my hand like this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Yes. Can you see any fingers same?
No.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you see any fingers with both the
No,
hands?
ma'am.
If I show you, can you see any same?
No.
No, ma'am. No.
Same as, yes, same as same. There are no two similar human beings on the earth. Are there? देखो,
No.
the ones who are twins. Yes, the ones who are twins, they are also different. Yes. So what it is, beta? Okay, if you see, yes, see, in fifth class, I have two girls. Her name, one name is Farhana and one name is Farhina, something like that. Right? Their father's name is same. Yes, their surname is same. एक का रोल नंबर 30, एक का रोल नंबर 31. और स्पेलिंग में एक ही डिफरेंस है, ए और ई का. राइट? Now, how to segregate these
Yes.
two students? मैंने तो उनको देखा भी नहीं because we are doing online teaching. So it is very hard. So I thought I will do according to their birth dates. Birth dates देखी तो birth dates are also same. Why? Because they are twins. But physically, if you see, they differ. Yes, students in my class differ in many ways. Still, why? Still, they are friends. Yes or no? What different है?
Yes.
Everyone is different. Rabia is different. Malkani Rabia and Rabia. What is your surname? दो Rabia है ना?
Kadri.
Kadri Rabia. Names are same. So does it mean that they are different? They are different. They differ, but they are your friends. Yes,
Yes.
yes. See, it is written in think question. Read the question. Think, Rabia.
Yes, ma'am. Think. In what ways do you differ from the children in your class? Students in your class differ from you in many ways. Still, why are they your friends?
Hmm. Why are they your friends? Because we live in a country which is which has different peoples in the in the way of geographical diversity, religious diversity, cultural diversity, racial or linguistic diversity. I said, languages are spoke different, like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odai, Konkani, etc., etc., etc. Right? But still, we all are living in
Yes.
unity, है ना? Still, we all are living in unity. आज फिर भी हम लोग कैसे रहते हैं? In unity. One minute, just I'll exit once from this PowerPoint presentation so that I can clear my this board. I am not able to clear it. A duster is not coming out. So 1 minute. एक बार हम exit होके देखते हैं. Not in the group. I'll exit. आ गया. चलो very good. So what it is, India is a land of diversity, but it has unity. What does it have, my dear students?
Unity.
This
Unity.
word is very important.
Unity.
है ना? Though we are all different from others. Rabia Malkan is different from Kadri Rabia. She is speaking a different language. She is sitting on the different branch. But we all are having unity. Yes. So the name of this lesson, my dear students, is what? Unity in diversity. Yes, unity in diversity. This
In
is very much
diversity.
important. Why it is very much important? Because if there is not unity, India cannot stand united. Yes, clear? अब इस there is a lot of history behind
Yes.
it. बहुत सारी हिस्ट्री है कि ये यूनिटी कैसे आई एंड ऑल दिस बट इफ आई विल स्टार्ट नो यू पीपल नो कि मैम ये लेसन एग्जाम खत्म हो जाएगी फिर भी खत्म नहीं कर पाएंगे है ना सो
Ma'am.
इन है ना हाँ बेटा
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
मैं समझ नहीं आई कैन
What is
अंडरस्टैंड आई कैन
unity?
गेट यू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग बेटा
Can you explain me that what is unity?
व्हाट इज शी सेइंग राबिया
She is saying that can you
okay
explain what is unity?
unity you want to understand unity is what unity is the good relation
And she is saying
जिसे हम फ्रेंडशिप भी बोल सकते हैं वी कैन से भाईचारा
that what
हाँ
is unity?
सॉरी I cannot get you. Hello, can you listen me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What you are saying? What was the question, beta?
Can you
Uh, I cannot listen you, beta. Whatever you speak is not reaching to me. Can you anyone else speak what she is saying? If you can listen her.
Do one thing, type the message.
Okay, you are typing the message. I'll go back to the screen. Yes, ask me your question here, beta. Are you listening me? Is she there or she has left?
She's there. She might be typing.
Okay, I cannot wait along. If she types the message, you see me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So our country is a country of diversity, right? Differences. As I said, you language difference, right? Religious religions, festivals. We celebrate different dances, many things, right? So religion, language, caste, and economic equality, right? It is a
Ma'am,
unique. Huh, beta.
ma'am, she typed the message.
Okay, I'll say. Okay. Ali Nawaz Panjwani. She wants to know what is unity. Can you listen me? What is your name? Ali Nawaz Panjwani? Huh?
ma'am, my name is Insia
Inshia.
Fatima.
अच्छा इंशा इंशा यूनिटी क्या है यू हैव ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर इन योर हाउस बेटा हाँ
I have sister.
हाँ तो whenever you both of you fight or whatever you do right then at last when mama comes to scold or papa comes to scold or your grandparents comes to scold you both will be one no आप एक हो जाओगे
Yes,
ना कि भाई ना हो मारी बेने નથી કર્યું ना हो एने નથી કર્યું आप क्या करोगे है ना आप एक हो जाओगे ना so at
yes,
that time what you are doing that time you are showing unity among yourself you and your sister then what will your mama says કે આ બે ઘડીક બાદ છે ઘડીક એક થઈ જશે yes or no
yes, ma'am.
that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that is unity yes but यहाँ पे जो lesson की if we connect try to connect in lesson तो unity is the relation good relation friendshipness भाईचारा between the other people and us understood but good relations
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
this happens to you
Yes,
people also in
ma'am.
the recess when you before recess you all are fighting with each other for some or the other thing and in recess what you will say કે ભલે she is fighting recess માં બધા પાછા એક થઈ જશે એની સાથે જે બોલવા જ મળશે yes this you people say or not these things
Yes, ma'am.
yes so what you have proved that you bhale you are different you are in unity and we have learned that famous story you remember of that stick one stick you can easily break but bundle of sticks you cannot break remember or not so that is what unity
Yes,
understood
yes, ma'am.
so insha I hope your doubt is cleared okay so apart from food festivals customs rituals and attire attire means the clothes we wear okay variation is also seen in social life let us see what can do for unity and equality in our country now my dear students for this unity dr radhakrishnan what he has stated about our national unity he has stated that if you want to survive as a nation we must accept the need of national unity And during the freedom movement, our country man, they made the vision, one vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifices and many things. Right now, we'll see the diversity which is seen in Indians is rarely seen in any other countries of the world, in the whole world, right? India has become a subcontinent due to these diversities. In our country, diversity is seen in color, complexion, attire, religion, language, food, etc. From where? From the Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from where? From here. Diversity is seen from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Here the people are wearing different clothes. Here the people are wearing different clothes. Here they are having different dance form. Here they are having different dance forms. Apart from this, here there is a different atmosphere. Here different. Here also different. In here also different. Right? But still stand as united. Yes, in unity. How do we stand? Unity. Yes. See, that is why I have brought the this Asia's map for you people. Can you see this Asia map? Our continent Asia.
Yes.
Yes. Can you locate India here? It's
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Yes.
It's here, white part.
Yes. So see, as though it is very big, yes, yes, it is standing unitedly. Yes.
Ma'am, someone's mic is on.
Can you see? Search here for whose it is.
It's Sophia.
Safia, if you are listening, then please mute your mic. It's making noise. Rabia, as you said to me, someone's mic is making noise. Nowadays, I am facing a problem. Like, what it is, Rabia? हम लोग है ना इतनी शांति में पढ़ रहे हैं जैसे इफ आई एम स्पीकिंग योर ऑल ऑफ योर माइक इज म्यूटेड if Rabia is speaking everyone else is silent if Insha is speaking again everyone else is silent so we have learned to live in very much silence zone है ना
Yes.
तो क्या हो रहा है पता है घर में when everyone is speaking no we get frustrated this happens with me this might be happening with you people also it is happening with my children also they again saying mommy don't speak so much है ना क्यों क्योंकि उनको एक ही इंसान को सुनने की आदत हो चुकी है जब टीचर बोलते हैं तो टीचर को सुन रहे हैं तो आई हैव नोटिस दैट एंड व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग विथ माय चिल्ड्रंस अदर पेरेंट्स आल्सो आई एम नोटिसिंग दिस कि वो लोग भी यही बोल रहे हैं कि दे आर बिकम वेरी मच लाइक दे कैन नॉट लिसन मोर पीपल तो ये आदत बहुत जल्दी निकालनी होगी वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एवरीवन हैज अ
Yes.
राइट टू स्पीक बट हम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं व्हेन 2 3 पीपल आर स्पीकिंग नो वी डोंट लाइक इट व्हाई बिकॉज 6 7 मंथ से हम ये हैबिट में आ चुके हैं कि लिसनिंग ओनली वन पर्सन बट
Yes.
अदर स्पीक्स वी गेट फ्रस्ट्रेट कि भाई આટલું બધું ન બોલો હો प्लीज
Yes.
I also do this कि my both if my both children are speaking I say कि what is this speak one by one they say what is this mama हमारे बोलवानु ही नहीं ऐसा दे बोलते हैं and then when I speak when others are speaking they also say this कि આટલું બધું ન બોલો એક જણ બોલો તો I say see this is happening with everyone today because of this COVID-19 कि हम लोग ये हैबिट हो चुके हैं कि एक ही बंदे को सुनो
Yes.
बाकी सब चुप रहो भाई हमने क्या गुनाह किया
Yes.
है बट ये हर जगह हो रहा है आज मैं ये ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ अभी मैंने आपके साथ भी देखा राबिया है ना तो पूरे वर्ल्ड
Yes.
में अभी ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है बट आई डोंट नो हाउ वायरस के जाने के बाद जो ये इंटरनल वायरस जो एवरीवन के माइंड में आ चुका है आई डोंट नो हाउ विल बी इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू गेट आउट
और मैम स्कूल में तो like people speak
यस
together only.
Yes, this is going to create a problem, but we have to,
Yes.
bravely we have to understand okay, this is and this is one of the point in our this lesson. अगर आपको दिखाऊं मैं this is one of our point इसमें तो नहीं होगा because the presentation I prepared yesterday night. I'll show you one point in which it is said that each Indian has a right to speak. Yes, yes. Efforts of diversity and equality. Can you see this?
Yes.
Discrimination between boys and girls नहीं. But यहाँ पे है वो point. I was reading this lesson last night. RT has given right literature. It will come. Everyone has a right to speak. When we'll read this lesson, no, it will come. I don't know
Yes.
which line it was, but अभी आपने बोला ना कि किसी का माइक में से आवाज आ रहा है, then I could not stop to express my feelings.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. It will come. At that time, we will remember. Okay. So there is a diversity seen in from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Okay, my last point, Rabia and all girls was okay, learn to tolerate in your houses also. Okay, nowadays you are staying
Yes.
in a house with your mama, right? And she has lot of work to do. So when she is speaking something, try to listen her. Okay. Okay. So we were learning about the differences, the diversities, and apart from that, the religion. Sorry, the unity that we have in all. Chahe that is from Kashmir to Kanyakumari or from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, as India, as we saw over here, India, yes, it is, seventh largest. We have already seen that seventh largest country in the world, right? And it is also the largest peninsula, which is bordered on three sides by Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. Yes, peninsular means what we have already learned there. Okay, it has three sides with water. Here is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Three sides with water and one side with land. This side it is with land. That is what? That is peninsula. Okay? Any doubt till here? Can you listen me better?
No, ma'am.
Okay. India manages to sideswipe everyone with its size, clamor, and diversity. If you enjoy dwelling into contour cosmologies, thrive of sensual overload, and have a firm grasp, then India is one of the most intricate and rewarding dramas unfolding on the earth. Apart from this, India and its people, that we will see. India Indians from form one-sixth of all humanities. India is also the largest democracy in the world. Yes. Now we will see what is diversity. Yes. In geographical diversity, religious, cultural, racial, or linguistic diversity. Yes. Just a minute. Textbook. Yes. So religion diversity. अंडरस्टूड नो कि भाई डाइवर्सिटी किसे बोलते हैं यूनिटी किसे बोलते हैं यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी
Yes, ma'am.
yes yes so now we will see the religion language and culture okay as I said you previously languages like Hindi religions like Christianity Islam Hinduism Buddhism right yes Rabia can you continue beta
Yes, ma'am. Religions. People having faith in different religions live in our country. People following various religions like Hinduism, Islam,
Christianity
Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, and
Judaism
Judaism live together harmoniously in spite of religious diversity. All the religions are given equal importance in our country with good intention that all can practice or follow their religion equally.
Very good. Continue. Then I'll explain.
Language: Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, and Konkani, etc. languages are spoken in our country. In spite of existing diversity in language, various languages have importance to maintain unity of our country.
Yes. So first we'll see about religion and language. See, people having faith in different religions live in our country. That we all know. Yes, people might be following Hinduism or Islam or Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, or whatever. But they live together harmoniously in spite of religious diversity. Though there is religious diversity, we live harmoniously, we live peacefully. All the religions are given equal importance in our country with good intention that all practices or follows their religion equally. Everyone is given equality, right, to follow their religion. That is what stating, that is showing the unity of our country. Though there are different languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Udai, Udia, Konkan, etc. I said you the states also know of these languages.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So though they are different, yes, but still, in spite of this existing diversity in language, various languages have their own importance to maintain unity of our country. Yes, apart from this बेटा लैंग्वेज के हिसाब से आपको ये पता हो कि नहीं, मैंने बात की है कि नहीं, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, बट यू नो बेटा, इन अवर स्टेट, सॉरी, इन अवर कंट्री इंडिया, according to languages the states are also formed, है ना, जैसे गुजरात हैज गुजराती, महाराष्ट्र हैज मराठी, पंजाबी इज पंजाबी, पंजाब, understood, कोंकणी is गोवा, understood. So language, according to languages also states are formed, right, understood. So languages, various languages have importance to maintain unity of our country. Now, can I ask you some questions related to our topic, today's topic?